You tap pay. The screen spins, then freezes. Did it go through? So you tap again. Did you just pay twice? The answer comes down to one property of HTTP requests: the line between a safe retry and a double charge. Every request your app sends carries a verb, a method: get, post, put, patch, delete. Each one tells the server your intent. Read something, create it, replace it, tweak it, or remove it. Here's the only question that matters for safety. If the same request runs twice, is that a problem? When it isn't, same result whether it runs once or 10 times, we call the method idempotent. Get just reads: give me this page. It changes nothing on the server. Run it 1,000 times and the world looks exactly the same. So a failed get, retry it freely. Nothing can go wrong. Put and delete change data, but they're still safe to repeat. Put says set this record to exactly this. Do it twice. It's still exactly that. Delete says remove it. Delete twice. It's still gone. Post is the dangerous one. Post means create a new thing, and every post makes another. Retry a payment post, and you've just created a second charge. That's not idempotent. That's our double payment. Patch sits in between. Usually fine, sometimes not. But networks fail, and clients retry on their own. You can't prevent that. So payment APIs send an idempotency key. The first post does the work and remembers the key. A retry with the same key gets the same answer back, and no second charge is ever made. So get, put, and delete are safe to retry. Post is the one that bites, and patch depends. Safe to retry is just another way of saying idempotent. And now you know which is which. Subscribe for one networking concept a day.